For the past week or two, we started with a brand new series on Free Motor Media Namibia, and today we're back at the Absolute
Vehicle
System. Thank you very much. Charlene, yeah, you are one of the ladies. You are not here just for you know everything. I understand, it's true.
I think nobody can know everything because you learn something new every day.
And that's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah,
if you can't learn anything new every day,
you are lost.
Then you are lost.
But we are not going to talk about education or where we come from or what we're going to do. I'm sitting here with a whole set of JBL speakers, and yeah, I'm one of those guys, Charlene. If I travel, they have certain music in my car, Pink Floyd, Meatloaf, and I think I would love to listen it on this. But let's start at the beginning. JBL, yes. The series, what?
Yeah. JBL, their slogan is Dare to Listen. And believe me, they live up to their slogan. You get different types of speakers, different sizes. You get your stage, your stage 2 and stage 3.
What is that?
Your stage is basically just the different levels of speakers that you get. Your stage is the normal entry levels. Your stage 2 is your mid-range, and your stage 3 is your higher performance.
So that's for my Lamborghini, which I don't have yet.
Which you don't have yet, what you're dreaming about when you grow up.
Exactly.
Well, one day when you grow up, you'll have your Lamborghini.
Charlene, it seems to me there are more than just speakers, because normally, I mean, I only got the car speakers with me, and as Charlene rightfully said, Dare to Listen. There are much more. I went through your brochure. I didn't know if I was supposed to. I like what I see.
Yeah. No, like I said, the stage is just one of the series that there is. You get the Stadium Series, which is your ultimate series, especially if you like to listen to music at a high volume in your car without your speakers distorting. That is the series for you.
But
and then
sorry,
you also
that's distorting. That's the most frustration thing.
Yeah,
you want to hear it solid.
Yeah, you want to hear it solid and clear. And that is what your Stadium Series is for.
Awesome, yeah. But then there's, I think, for the hipsters, the youngster generation.
Yeah.
What is that? The beatbox? Hey, help me, please.
Bluetooth speakers.
Like
yeah, basically that you can connect your phone to, listen to music via your phone through this Bluetooth speaker that is portable. So if you don't have a 4x4 and you're going down to Swakop and you're having a nice braai, you're catching fish, you want to braai the fish, but you want nice music, make a little bit of party, the Bluetooth speakers are very good for that. You connect your phone to it, you play music via your phone through the Bluetooth speaker.
Is it waterproof, I understand?
It is waterproof as well.
As easy as that?
As easy as that.
And then there's those guys that like the karaoke, they can make his own music, connected.
Yeah, connected. Yeah. Some of the Bluetooth speakers even have a port where you can plug in your guitar, so make your own music.
Now, there you have it, Charlene. I must say, I'm looking forward to the next series. I mean, we can actually come and visit you many times.
Yeah.
So, Dare to Listen. So, if you want to know more about the JBL speakers, they are available, different sizes, different cars, different products. And we can all come to Charlene. Where are you guys situated?
We are in 24 Edison Square in Edison Street, Southern Industrial Area.
As easy as that. And if you want to know the telephone numbers, I'm going to flash it at the back. And we're going to talk next week, a very interesting thing. We're going to talk to some of your technicians.
Yeah. So we have to get to know the guys that are actually doing all the hard work, myself and Walter that you met previously.
Hard work, I think, is rather a hobby.
Yeah, it's a hobby. If you enjoy what you're doing, it's not work, it's pleasure.
There you are. So don't go away. Next week we're going to talk more about Absolute Vehicle Systems.